So we got a lot of clothes out of that unit, and what are we going to do with the clothes?
We are going to donate them to the church's clothing drive that they hold every week on Thursdays. We're now waiting for someone to come to the door so that we can drop these clothes off. And if no one comes, we will just leave them outside. I've done that before. But yeah, this church does a lot for the community, a lot of different things, and the weekly clothing drive is one of them. So we love to support them in this way. And there's always clothes that we just can't use that we know somebody else can.
Doing storage units, there's stuff that is good stuff but isn't sellable for us, so we found an outlet, and for several years now I have been donating things to this particular church for their women's shelter and their after-school program for kids.
All right, so we have several boxes behind the bags that you didn't see. I'll show you in a minute. And we are going to leave boxes of clothes. We have some hangers for them as well.
Hello. Good, how are you?
Are those donations?
These are clothing donations, yes. Can we help carry them in?
Sometimes when you're buying storage units, you have to have a way to pay things forward because we're blessed enough to have been able to buy these storage units. In this particular case, we donate to a specific charity, and it just feels nice to give back. Sometimes you can't find the people. Sometimes there's no way to give any of the items back, so bless somebody else.
Good morning. Good. How are you? Merry Christmas. So we dropped off the clothes over there, and now we're here and we're donating 7 boxes of children's books to the church's after-school program that is run by my friend Tanya. So we're gonna go in and see if we can find her and get these books to her. Brought my muscle with me, so there he is doing the heavy lifting. They lent us a cart so we can easily get all these boxes in, but we had to shove them all in the back because we were dropping off the clothes first. It's all about logistics, isn't it, Roy?
Yep, always.
Can we get them all on?
We'll make it work.
Yes. Love those little boxes with the handles.
No, this one doesn't have handles. It's kind of little.
Yes. It's flat. It'll fit right on that shelf there. Uh-oh. Oh. Stuck.
And a lot of these books came out of, didn't it come out of that Avon unit or?
Yeah, they all did. So these books have gotten dispersed into different places, this being the biggest donation of them. And then we've sent some into Amazon, we've sold some on eBay, and we've even sold groupings of them on Facebook Marketplace. Watch out.
All right, let's roll this up in here. You don't want to get the front?
Oh.
Apologize for the filming right now.
I'm filming you walk in. Look at all that.
Uh-oh. Books are so heavy.
Uh-oh.
Come on.
We have been fortunate to be put in a position to bless people with some of the items that instead of just giving to Goodwill, we can actually donate it somewhere that it will be used and no one has to pay money for it. We do have another donation that we're working on. We've already donated some. If you saw our video a few days ago, our clothes video, we have some of that we're putting together, and we'll be donating more clothes.
Here we have, what, 7 boxes? So, and if you recognize any of these books, they came out of that Avon unit, so.
And they're loaded, and we added some extra folders. There's all kinds of good stuff. I think there's markers and crayons in there too in some of the boxes.
And the whole idea is to help keep them busy, especially during their time off or after school.